There it is. Okay. No, there you go. All right. Hey, y'all, put your hands together for this guy. Doing a little dancing for us this evening. Dancing a little jig for us. Put your hands together for Tony the Tiger Torres, everybody. Tony Torres, everybody! Hell yeah! What'd you think of that, MK?
I missed it.
Okay. Albert? Do we got any notes?
Yeah. The last set that I saw him do, he was talking about going to a strip club. And honestly, I feel like you should be employed by a strip club with those moves.
Yeah, dude.
They will
He's got
owe
the
you
moves,
$50.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's the
Yeah.
power of the nose strip. Brought to you by the nose strip.
Yeah, Tyler, how much would it cost to get a stripper pole in here? What do you think? Just we can install it. I can install it for you.
All we need is one of those ones that's got a heavy base on the ground, and they don't have to be installed.
Honestly, really? They just screw it into the ground, right?
Traveling poles.
Bolt it into the stage.
No, they don't.
Traveling pole?